I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a lipstick declutter, and I did do a lipstick collection video. If you haven't seen it, I'll either put it up there, here, there, up here somewhere in the cards, or I will link that video down in the description box below. If you saw that video, or if you saw the picture I posted on Instagram of my lipstick collection, you know that you know why I'm doing this lipstick declutter. And so now I'm going to do a little more decluttering. I have unfortunately purchased more lipsticks in 2019, and I needed to make room for those new lipsticks, and I was not going to add more storage. My plan or my strategy is to get rid of lipsticks to make way for any new lipsticks that I may purchase. So this is going to be this second declutter. As you can see, or you saw by the thumbnail, there's quite a lot of lipsticks in here. I've already, which is what I was afraid of, I've already pulled 3 from certain death. So I guess I will just start off with these. Okay, so these are the Poreless from Lancome, and as you can see, I have quite a few of them. I've had them in my collection for a really long time, and I think one of the reasons why I think one of the reasons why I've kept them so long is because of the packaging. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. And then I also didn't want to break them up. They're kind of a little family, which I know is ridiculous, but you know, these are my thoughts. What can I tell you? So I have 6 here. I actually have 1 that I don't have with me. It's the only, well, it was going to be the only one I was going to keep, and it is a beautiful metallic berry shade. But this one I've decided I'm going to go ahead and keep. This is Penny, and I probably shouldn't keep it because this is not, this rush shade, this is not really a shade that I tend to wear, but I don't know, it's awfully pretty, and it's going on very smoothly. Even though these are old, they don't smell funny, and this goes on really smoothly. It's still creamy. And this is Beetle, and this shade is like this jewel chrome. This one doesn't go on as smoothly, but this shade is like a dual chrome. It's got like this green flash, bronzy green flash to it. It's really beautiful. Doesn't necessarily look great on me, but it's such a unique shade that I just don't feel like I want to give it up just yet. So these I have snatched from death, but these are I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of. This is Asphalt. This is like a gray, and that makes me look like a corpse. And then blue. I've never left the house in blue lipstick, and I don't see myself ever leaving the house in blue lipstick. And this one is another one. And this one is pretty, but again, it doesn't really do very much for me, and it doesn't go on that smoothly. And then this one here, which, you know, it's not a bad shade, but they're old, and I'm just simply not wearing, and I'm not going to wear, so there's no point in me holding on to them any longer. I'm also going to keep this Dose of Colors. I snatched this out of the jaws of death as well. This is a one of their liquid lipsticks. Dose of Colors makes probably one of, if not my favorite formula when it comes to liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Los Angeles, and I don't know, it's kind of a little more rusty. It's looking kind of reddish, but it's a little more rusty red, and I don't really go for rust shades. But that is not an old, this is not an old purchase. This is a more recent purchase, and so I know the formula is still good on here and the color is not so bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that one. But I will be getting rid of this lip gloss from Dose of Colors. I mean, it's really pretty in the tube here, but it's just, and it's a pretty shade, but it's just too pinky mauve, but a lot more pink than mauve, and it's just not a shade that I like, and so I'm just not gonna keep it. Also, these Amore matte lipsticks from Milani. I do like the Milani liquid lipstick formula. I know a lot of people don't. I do, but these are old, and look, this one is like separated. And these are just colors that I'm just not going to wear, so there's no point in holding on to these. Now, digging in the crates, I have some Fenty Beauty. These were, I want to say these were like from the Galaxy. I don't think that's the name of it, but it was kind of like a Galaxy collection, limited edition. These were released very, like, these were some of the first releases from Fenty Beauty when that brand launched, and these are absolutely beautiful. Like, they are stunning when you first apply them, but after you wear it for a while and the shine wears down, all you're left with is glitter all over your lips, around your lips, and for that reason I don't wear them. Although I'm looking at this right now and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is supposed to be a declutter video. And see, this is what happens when you swatch. This is a very unique color here too. Like, look at that. When you first apply them, they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This one especially. So I'm gonna hold on to all three of these. I'm gonna put those over there and I'm gonna hold on to these. And you know what? I'm going to give them another go and see if I have the same problem. And I'm sure I will. If I have the same problem, I will get rid of them. But I'm going to hold on to them for right now. But some more that I am getting rid of. These are from Lime Crime. I got all of these probably either Lime Crime was having a sale years ago. These are old. All of these that I'm getting rid of are old. Or I got them on Nordstrom Rack for like $9.97, so I didn't pay full price for any of these, but they're old and I'm just not, I mean, they still smell fine and whatever, but these shades I just don't wear, and so no point in there taking up more space. I have two liquid lipsticks from the CoverGirl Catsuit liquid lipstick collections, and I really like this liquid lipstick formula. Also, it too is one of my favorites, but these shades are the ones that I just don't wear. This is a nice like brown caramel sort of rusty shade, and I just don't wear those types of shades. And then this is a metallic, and I really don't like their metallic shades. Like, that's fine, but I have enough shades sort of like that in my collection, so I don't need this one. I don't wear this one, so no point in my keeping it. Okay, some lip glosses that I really, oh God, I hate to get rid of these, but again, they're really old. This one, as you can see, is separating in the tube, and they're just old, and I just don't feel comfortable wearing them, and I never really wore them, to be honest, which I don't know why. These are from MAC. These are the Vamplified lip glosses, and they don't make them anymore, which is a shame because they're absolutely beautiful. They're a wonderful formula. They're glossy without being sticky. They're long wearing. They're so nice, but they're just so old, and I haven't worn them, and it's really just time for me to get rid of them. But this hurts my heart. I'm sure I got these on sale from MAC years ago, and that's why I have so many of them. But yeah, time to go. I have some liquid lipsticks from Colored Rain. This one is, I believe, long been discontinued. I don't know why I want to have an orange lipstick in my collection. I don't know. I just feel like one day I'm going to need it. I'm going to want it. But this one is really streaky, and it's just not good. The color is really pretty, but the formula is just not good, and I'm imagining maybe that's why it's been discontinued. I got these from Ricky's online for under $10, I'm sure, probably for like $5 or $6. And then this is another one I bought from Colored Rain. I think this is Ruby, and I had been wanting this. I bought this online, never saw any of I've never seen any of them in person. And this is a pretty shade, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. And this shade is just kind of blah on me. It just doesn't do anything. So time for it to go too. But I do like Colored Rain. I do like their formula. I'm actually wearing Colored Rain on my lips today, but those two have got to go. More liquid lipsticks. I find that I have so many more liquid lipsticks in my collection than I do regular bullet lipsticks. I didn't know that I like liquid lipsticks that much, but I guess I do. These are two from LA Splash, and they're actually not that old of a purchase. Oh, okay. Oh. Wow, that's completely dried. Holy crap, that's completely dried up, and it's not that old. Okay, well, I was getting rid of it, and you know, the last time I swatched this, I could have sworn it was, wow, okay. Well, that's completely dried up. I was getting rid of it because they're colors that I just don't wear. They make me look like a corpse. I never wore them. Oh, see, this one is fine. Wow, that one, really? Wow, this one is really pretty. But I have shades like this in my collection already. Plenty of them in my collection already. So I'm just going to get rid of these two. Same with these. These are the Jordana. I got these from Walmart as well. And that's a really pretty red. And I've never even worn these before. I think I got these from Walmart in Georgia, and they were really cheap, and I don't know. So these reds though are really pretty, but I have reds in my collection already to the point where I never even wear these. So beautiful. I wish I wasn't skeeved out. If it was so unhygienic for me to give away used lipsticks, I would give these to my sister, but that's just nasty. So I'm just gonna get rid of these. And then I have some lip glosses from Sephora. Sephora makes probably my favorite lip gloss formula, and I'm getting rid of these because these two I just don't wear. Like that's just too like beigey, light beige for my taste. And then this one is just really peachy. It's pretty, but it's just not my vibe. So these two have got to go. And then this one is my all-time favorite lip gloss shade from any brand ever in life. But Sephora stopped making it. I don't know why they did this. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got so many different colors in it. It's just so beautiful. But you know, it's empty. It's been empty forever, and I just couldn't bring myself to throw it out. I'm forever digging in it, trying to get more color out of it, and it's just time to let it go at this point. Damn you, Sephora! And then last but not least, I have this liquid lipstick from Hard Candy, another Walmart buy. And you know, I have shades like this already. I certainly have a shade like this in Colored Rain. I probably have one of them in Dose of Colors, and so I really, and it's hard to store. It's just like whatever. So I'm getting rid of that one. I got rid of 27 lipsticks, and then I I snatched 6 from the jaws of death. Yeah, so I'm gonna give these another go, and yeah, I'm gonna hold on to these, and then if I find that I am not using them still, or if I find that I need to make more room in my collection for new purchases, then I will go on ahead and get rid of these. Now, after doing this declutter, I'll have a little more than 100 lip products left over. So you know, I was able to get rid of just about half of my collection between the two declutters. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. And going into 2020, I'm hoping to not buy any more lipsticks, but you know, we'll see how that goes. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I might be doing an eyeshadow declutter in 2020. I'm not sure, but I definitely do reviews, makeup hauls, swatches, and tutorials on my channel every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.